Butters is not happy. She can't reach you.
Hi, Butters.
Wow, she's what an asshole.
Why you gonna beat me up, Butters? Look at that little hand.
I know, just taking it out.
Watch this. Cover up. Oh.
She doesn't like that. Butters. Stop it.
Put this one on the outside so I don't mess up your shirt.
It's okay.
Oh!
Butters!
She's... Oh my gosh.
So slappy right now.
I know. What's going on? Butters! Butters!
Butters, why you gotta be so mean? What? She's standing up too.
Butters, she's grumpy.
She's always grumpy.
Butters. Come on. Here, Lego. Give me that. Can I have it?
Here, why don't you clap at her?
She's like playing tug of war.
I know.
No, but she has to be doing something like,
Oh, yeah.
like bad already. Butters.
She's gonna fall. Oh, cushion.
Yeah.
So clumsy.
Butters.
She's coming after you.
Then she starts to scare me when she gets like that.
I know.
Did we not get some good footage?